Ndiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Jinil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwuno So Captures. Ndibanya, Nmekelonu. I'm from Chukwuno So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're here to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Chinwe for sending in her name. That's right, good up for Chinwe. For sending in her Igbo